For nearly a century, this massive cruise ship ruled the ocean, carrying thousands of passengers across endless waters. But after decades of service, the once magnificent vessel was forgotten, abandoned, and left to decay under the harsh power of nature. Rust covered its steel walls, broken windows replaced luxury views, and empty corridors became silent reminders of its glorious past. Hidden beneath the damage was a remarkable structure waiting for a second life. Now a bold vision begins, transforming this forgotten ocean giant into something never imagined before. A luxury floating mansion where history, architecture, and modern design come together to create a new chapter for this abandoned ship. Before this abandoned ship could become a luxury ocean mansion, the first challenge was facing decades of damage. Every corner revealed the effects of time: corroded steel, broken interiors, damaged floors, and forgotten spaces covered in dust. Restoration teams entered the silent vessel and began removing years of decay, carefully cleaning the structure and exposing the original beauty hidden beneath the destruction. Old materials were removed, damaged sections were repaired, and the empty spaces slowly started becoming ready for a completely new purpose. Step by step, the forgotten cruise ship was no longer just an abandoned relic. It was becoming the foundation for a breathtaking floating home unlike anything seen before. With the damaged interior cleared, the transformation entered its next major stage. The empty cruise decks began receiving a completely new identity. Workers carefully rebuilt the internal structure, creating open spaces designed for luxury living, while preserving the unique curves of the original ship. Steel frameworks were repaired, walls were redesigned, and premium materials began replacing the forgotten remains of the old vessel. The first signs of the future mansion started appearing. Natural wood details, elegant surfaces, ocean-inspired designs, and modern architecture blending with the ship's historic character. What was once a dark, abandoned space was slowly becoming a bright, open environment designed to feel like a private home floating above the sea. The heart of the ocean mansion begins to take shape as the main living spaces are transformed into areas of comfort and luxury. The old cruise interiors are replaced with elegant lounges, ocean view relaxation areas, and sophisticated dining spaces. Every detail is carefully planned, from the flowing design lines inspired by ocean waves to the combination of wood, marble, glass, and steel. The once empty rooms now begin to feel alive again. Large windows open the interior to endless ocean views, while modern furniture and premium finishes create a completely new atmosphere. The forgotten ship is no longer just being restored. It is being reinvented as a floating masterpiece of design. As the transformation continues, the upper sections of the ship begin to reveal the true vision behind this incredible project. Former passenger areas are redesigned into panoramic lounges, artistic hallways, and breathtaking private spaces overlooking the ocean. The curved shape of the original cruise ship becomes the inspiration for every new design choice. Instead of hiding its history, the mansion embraces it, combining the strength of old maritime engineering with the elegance of modern luxury architecture. Every window, every surface, and every piece of furniture is carefully placed to create a connection between the interior and the endless sea outside. A forgotten ship is slowly becoming a dream home on the water. The transformation reaches some of the most personal spaces inside the floating mansion, as forgotten areas are redesigned into private luxury retreats. The old passenger bathrooms become peaceful spa-inspired environments filled with elegant stone surfaces, ocean colors, and modern features designed for relaxation. Nearby, unused sections of the ship are converted into advanced fitness areas with panoramic views of the sea. Every room is carefully shaped around the original structure of the vessel, proving that even the most damaged spaces can be given a completely new purpose. The combination of ocean-inspired colors, premium materials, and thoughtful design turns these forgotten sections into spaces that feel more like a private resort than an old cruise ship. As the luxury ocean mansion continues to evolve, the transformation moves deeper into entertainment and lifestyle spaces. Former recreation areas are redesigned into elegant lounges, private cinema rooms, and sophisticated gathering spaces where guests can relax while surrounded by endless ocean views. Every detail is carefully crafted to balance comfort with the unique identity of the original ship. The old steel structures are preserved and blended with modern furniture, glass surfaces, and premium finishes. Even the staircase connecting different levels becomes a statement piece, combining maritime engineering with luxury architecture. The abandoned cruise ship is no longer a forgotten vessel. It is becoming a complete floating world designed for modern ocean living. The transformation now reaches the exterior spaces of this incredible floating mansion. The forgotten upper decks, once damaged by years of exposure, are redesigned into private ocean terraces where residents can enjoy uninterrupted views of the sea. Outdoor areas receive new flooring, elegant furniture, and modern architectural features while keeping the original character of the historic ship. Inside, artistic corridors and luxury spaces continue to connect the mansion together, creating a seamless journey through the vessel. From the outside, the scale of the transformation becomes clear. What was once a rust-covered abandoned cruise ship is now beginning to look like a private ocean residence built for a completely new future. After months of careful restoration and redesign, the exterior of the massive cruise ship begins its final transformation. Damaged surfaces are repaired, old structures are renewed, and luxury additions are carefully integrated into the original design. The upper decks become elegant outdoor spaces, while private areas inside the ship are transformed into sophisticated offices and entertainment rooms. Every section tells a story of change, from forgotten metal corridors to modern ocean view spaces filled with comfort and style. The goal is not to erase the history of this 99-year-old vessel, but to preserve its character while giving it a remarkable new purpose as a floating luxury mansion. The dream is becoming reality as the final luxury spaces begin to come together. Entertainment areas, private rooms, and social spaces now feel like they belong inside a world-class ocean residence. Every surface reflects careful craftsmanship, from polished floors and elegant furniture to detailed architectural finishes. The ship that was once silent and abandoned now feels alive again, filled with carefully designed spaces created for comfort, relaxation, and unforgettable ocean experiences. From the smallest interior details to the massive exterior structure, every part of this transformation represents imagination, creativity, and the possibility of giving new life to something that was once considered forgotten. Perfect balance between its historic maritime character and its modern mansion design. Inside, the master suite and private spa areas showcase the highest level of comfort, proving that even the most forgotten structures can be transformed into something extraordinary. This once abandoned ship has become a vision of what creativity, engineering, and imagination can achieve. The journey of this 99-year-old abandoned cruise ship reaches its final moment. What began as a forgotten vessel covered in rust and decay has been reimagined as a breathtaking luxury ocean mansion